It's always a pleasure, an immense pleasure rather, to represent SHRD, and it's even more special when you get a chance to welcome all the delegates who are sitting here. Even before I pronounce my formal welcome address, there's a small story that I actually wanted to share. This is when we were having our founder team or so-called core team meeting, trying to identify what should be the topic and the speakers for this particular meet. This was probably 3-4 weeks back. Then we had a number of suggestions coming from all our members, including talent management, talent engagement, acquisition, you name it, even HR analytics. Then somebody came up and said, okay, CNB would be a good topic. Immediately, our friend Mr. Pavan seconded it and said, let's go for CNB. Now, it was on a Sunday afternoon that we met, and we were dozing off and trying to fight the sleep time because that was Sunday afternoon after a heavy lunch. So this is when CB topic came, and I decided let's pull the leg of our dear friend Mr. Pavan. And I asked him, can you define CNB for me? Accepting and letting him go. So I asked him, sir, I still cannot understand. Give me an example which I can relate to. Probably more closer related to our event that we do, which is SHRD meet. Then he said, from participants' perspective, let me give you an example. He said, for participants who are coming in, the knowledge that they are going to get out of here from the esteemed speakers we are going to have will be their compensation. And the dinner, networking time, where they are going to meet people, their friends, is going to be the benefit. That was good, clear for me. But I didn't want to let him go. I asked him, okay, tell me further. He said, okay, from an individual perspective, what do you think is my compensation and benefit for doing this? I said, people relate to you, people know by your name, that itself is a big benefit. I said, yes, it's a big benefit. From a normal HR where people can relate to me, it's a big benefit. What's the compensation? Compensation is you are able to represent SHRD. Good, accepted that, but still didn't want to let him go. Asked him, sir, I need one more definition for this. From the organizational perspective, which is SHRD. Then he gave me an example which I think befits the stature of a founder member. I said, when people trust you by your name and they come to you for knowing pretty well that this is the organization where they can make best use of their time, is your compensation. And the benefit is when you can facilitate a meeting where your potential sponsor or the sponsor can add value in your HR delegates, and the HR delegates in turn can add business value to your sponsor. If you can facilitate that kind of a meeting, that's your benefit. I think that was probably the best definition I could have got. So I let him go after that. So big round of applause for that. Thank you. Go ahead with my formal welcome. I, on behalf of SHRD, welcome you all to this warm evening, which I'm sure is going to be great experiential learning for you all. We have some wonderful speakers lined up. As always, one from each sector who will be giving their sector-specific best practices, and they are good with that, and I'm hopeful they will deliver to that.